Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 74th Miss Universe competition. This is now 2204 and don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome back mga ka-Universe. Today is finally the day we've all been waiting for. Miss Universe 2025, the Grand Coronation Day. Pilipinas, kapit na dahil ngayon ilalaban natin si Atisa Manalo, ang pambato ng Pilipinas sa Miss Universe 2025. Mula sa kanyang pagkapanalo sa Miss Universe Philippines hanggang sa matinding laban niya sa Thailand, I will take you through her entire journey, every step, every schedule, every highlight. Kaya humanda kayo sa goosebumps dahil ang kwento ni Atisa ay isang kwento na hindi basta pang beauty queen, kundi pang inspirasyon ng buong Pilipinas. The victory changed everything. April 2025, the night she was crowned Miss Universe Philippines. Grabe mga ka-Universe, sino ba ang hindi napanluhan noon? Atisa stood tall, glowing and determined. Yung ngiti niya, punong-puno ng hope. Yung mga mata, kita mo yung pangarap. Hindi lang para sa sarili, kundi para sa Pilipinas. Pagkapanalo pa lang ay alam na natin, she was destined for the Miss Universe stage. The preparation of Queen from pasarela, communication training, personality development to non-stop workouts. Wala na raw araw na sinayang si Atisa. May mga araw na pagod siya pero hindi siya umatras. May mga oras na walang tulog pero tuloy pa rin ang ensayo. Because when you're carrying the flag of the Philippines, you give everything and more. Fast forward to November, the day kinailangan na niyang iwan ang bansa para lumaban sa Thailand. Crowd were cheering, fans were waving Philippine flags, and Atisa walked through the airport with so much grace habang hawak ang passport at suot ang kanyang Miss Universe Philippines sash. Ramdam mo talaga na ito na ang simula ng pinakamalaking laban. Paglapag ni Atisa sa Thailand, trending agad ang videos. Fresh, glowing and confidently ready, she greeted fans, waved at supporters, and gave that iconic Atisa smile. Right away, people noticed her aura, calm, elegant, and powerful. Eto na yung dalawang araw na super hectic, photo shoots with sponsors, video teasers, glam checks, gown fittings, lahat sabay-sabay. Pero kahit ganun, ang ganda pa rin niya sa bawat kuha. Makikita mo talaga ang professionalism niya. Hindi nagrereklamo, walang pagod sa muka at laging nakasmile. Her preparation from the Philippines really paid off. November 5 rehearsal, press conference and sashing ceremony. Ito yung first big moment in front of Miss Universe organization and international press. During the press conference, sobrang composed niya. Every answer was soft but solid. At nung sashing ceremony, boom! Ang ganda ni Philippines. November 6 on city tour in Bangkok. Dito lumabas ang soft, warm, fun side ni Atisa. While touring temples, cultural locations, markets, she showcased her natural charm. She interacted with locals, posed for photos, and enjoyed the Thai culture. Ang daming netizens na nag-comment, Atisa is glowing differently this year. November 7, rehearsal day. This was more technical, blocking, stage, layout, entrance cues. And guess what? According to the audience members, Atisa stood out dahil ang linis ng galaw niya. Her walk, controlled. Her presence, steady. Her aura, pang top contender. Early morning flight to Phuket, Atisa arrived wearing a simple yet classy travel outfit. Pagbaba niya, maraming fans ang sumalubong. May posters, may flags, may banners. Their cheers energized her even more. Day of interactions and tours. Here, fans got to see Atisa's kindness sa staff, sa co-candidates, sa mga locals, even behind the scenes clips showed her helping and chatting warmly with other delegates. Queen with beauty and heart. The Pattaya City Tour and Gala Dinner. This day was elegance overload. Sa City Tour, natural ang approachable ni Atisa. Pero sa Gala Dinner, grabe, she looked like a modern Filipina goddess. Shimmering gown, soft glam at pang Miss Universe ang presence. People were whispering, she is a finalist material. Another rehearsal activities. Ito na yung crucial rehearsals before the preliminary competition. Atisa showed discipline, focus, and consistency. The production team loved her timing, laging sakto, laging present, at laging ready. For the swimsuit fashion show, Columbia Pictures Aquaverse Pattaya. Ito ang isa sa pinakainabangan ng lahat at hindi tayo binigo ni Atisa. Her body proportions, her turns, her transition, lahat polish. Pero ang pinakamalakas, the attitude. She was fierce but classy, confident pero hindi trying hard. After the show, ang daming nagpost that Philippines is a threat. Philippines ate that performance. Ang totoo, kinain niya yung stage. After that, November 16 is the closed-door interview. This is the heart of Miss Universe at dito. Atisa delivered. Her intelligence, calmness, and sincerity shine. The judge loved how she articulated her purpose, her background, and her vision for global impact. Fans said, interview performance pa lang, pang Miss Universe na. Kaya naman pati pagdami ng followers sa social media at maging sa botohan, hindi pinabayaan ng mga pageant fans ang ating pambato. Dahil kakaiba ang ganda, galing at karunungan ni Maria Atisa Manalo. After that is a photo shoot and another rehearsals for big events. These two were dedicated to refining blocking for national costume, gown, and prelims. The national costume competition and the preliminary competition. This day was huge. National costume, a moment of Filipino pride. Her cultural representation, the Filipino craftsmanship, the colors, everything was very good and very amazing. Then, prelims happened. At grabe, swimsuit round, clean performance and strong core. And then, nung evening gown, she floated, she glowed, she owned the night. After this, multiple international pageant pages declared Atisa secures her place in the finals. At ngayon nga, November 20, 2025, the rehearsal for the finale. This was the fine-tuning stage, last adjustments, last run-through. Atisa looked calm, refreshed, emotionally aligned. She was ready for the big night. Ladies and gentlemen, let's support Maria Atisa Manalo in the 74th Miss Universe Coronation Night. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the incredible journey of our queen, Atisa Manalo, Miss Universe 2025. Isang kwento ng pagsisikap, tapang at pagmamahal sa bayan. Kung proud kayo kay Atisa, just comment Filipinas and don't forget to subscribe para updated sa bagong videos. Abangan natin si Atisa sa Grand Coronation.